and out the bamboo forest, in and out the bamboo forest, in and out the bamboo forest. Who will be my partner? It's your teacher Anauncieta. Welcome to Easy Elimu Learning Simplified. Wow. Everybody in groups, do you remember what you said yesterday? Teacher, you were to carry a manila paper, a glue stick, and picture cutouts. Do you have your picture cutouts? I have mine here of my vegetables, fruits. Do you have yours? Do you have your manila paper? Nice. Now, we want to do what? To make a scrapbook. To make a scrapbook. Teacher, how do you make a scrapbook? I now want to show you how to make a scrapbook. I want to show you how to make a scrapbook. What you're supposed to do basically is take your manila paper. I know it is rolled. You just want to, a scrapbook simply looks like a book, but it has evidence of work that was done in class. So I'll take my manila paper like this and take my manila paper nicely like this. Have you seen it? Good. Have you opened the manila paper? Then I fold the manila paper into two like this. Fold the manila paper like this. I fold again the manila paper like this. Fold it again. Then I fold it the fourth time like this. Have you seen my scrapbook? Have you seen the way it's simple? Okay. Now, teacher, how are you going to put the pictures inside? I'll just show you right now how I'll put the pictures inside that scrapbook. I'll show you where is my pair of scissors for me to make this scrapbook nicely. Teacher, must use the pair of scissors? No. Even if you have a ruler, you want to open it up so that it looks, from the word book, it must look like a book. Have you seen? So make sure you just don't cut at the edge here so that when you open, it opens like a book. Again, go to the second one. Like that. Again, I'll go to the last pages, open up the same way. Good. Now you see, I have my pages opening like books. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like that. So what happens here is, you'll come here, I'll punch for you. You will make your scrapbook nicely so that it opens up nicely like that. Then what happens is you punch it. Punching it is simply for you to be able to because these papers seem to be many, I will divide some like this. And punch. Again, these ones, I do the same thing and punch like that. And I have made my scrapbook like that. So for me to join my scrapbook together so that it looks I'll use a rope. And so this rope is meant to pass here like this. And again it passes here. Passes here in the other hole like this. Have you seen mine? Nice. Then I will tie it nicely like this, and you don't tie to the edge like that, because anytime your scrapbook is full you can just add more pages. So I have my scrapbook here ready with me. Now I want to put pictures. You see, even if I play with it like this, the papers cannot come out. So I have made my scrapbook. Now what happens is I will now open up a page like that, and that page is where I'll now start sticking my pictures. I've done it nicely like that, so I'll start sticking my pictures like that. So what happens is I look at the pictures I have. I have this picture here, so I want my first picture to be the lemon. Resize it nicely so that it can fit in it. So I have the lemon nicely. Stuck in my scrapbook like this. So I'll take glue, stick nicely like that. Then what happens is I stick my lemons nicely in my scrapbook. Then have you seen the way it is as easy as ABC? Then what happens is I'll take a pen and label my work nicely. I look at it and say, which picture is this? And I'll write there, lemon. I turn the next page. When I turn the next page, I also want to look at another type of food that can fit on that page. And I have the spinach here nicely. So I'll resize my picture nicely so that it can fit in my scrapbook. I hope we are all following the steps so that at the end of it we will all have, cut my spinach. I'll also take glue, put on it nicely like that. Then I stick my spinach on that page like that. Nicely like that. Then I again label it there, spinach. Good. We now go to the next picture. You make sure you have varieties of food. Don't just put fruits only, nor put the vegetables only. Make sure you mix the type of food that you're going to put inside there. I now get my another picture, resize it nicely like this, like that. After resizing it like that, I'll again put glue the way I did and stick it in the scrap book. You can see the way it's nice. And I'll again label it so that my scrapbook gives me a clear picture of what I want. We're talking about, I'll turn another page again, open another page, get another type of food, resize it, and put it in the scrapbook. Like that. So you're doing very fast, also do very fast. Why not doing very fast? See? Like that. I put it nicely there. Then I again label, what are those? Those are paw, tongue, toes. Again, check around another picture, a different one, and I look at it and I say, which other picture can I put in it? I take a vegetable, which is a cabbage. Resize it nicely again. After resizing it, you can now put it in the scrapbook nicely. After this, I want to check who has done the best of all the others. Good. Then just paste it there, label it cabbage. Nice. I turn again the page, check another type of food that I can put there. Maybe I get a fruit now or fish. Good. Now you're able to see my scrapbook well labeled like this. So we cannot finish everything now, but when you go home with the help of your guardians, still carry your picture cutouts, your glue and the manila paper. You will now be able to do it at home with the help of your guardians. Any question? So on Monday, I'm expecting to see nice, beautiful scrapbooks. And remember to label it. Okay? It was nice having you around, and I want to wish you a blessed day. Thank you.